All right, everyone, thank you for tuning in and coming back to my channel. I hope you guys have been enjoying the videos that I've been putting out. Now, today's video is not a full unboxing because the items, I already took them out, I've used them, but I wanted to do a product review, and I also wanted to do about a 6-month follow-up from my previous product review to kind of tie everything together. Today's product is from the Beard Dad. And what is the Beard Dad? So the Beard Dad was created by Carlos, and his focus is to elevate fatherhood and showcase the importance of having a father present in the home, raising kids along with the mom. But while doing that, he wants to, make those fathers that want a beard or that already have a beard, keep them looking sharp. I am not a father, but I fit the other category where I do have a beard, and I hope to be a father some point in the future. So I'm definitely for this message. So I'm really excited. The packaging looks great. I really like the color. I mean, it definitely looks like him and his family actually put a lot of thought into this. So they have the stickers and everything. Once you open this up, though, more thought. They got these little things. I mean, it makes it look nice. I don't know the name, but it looks good. Soon you're greeted by this card of him and his family. Sorry, Carlos, I don't have every family member's name, okay? But clearly, his 3 kids and his wife. And at the back, he wrote a message. My brother, I spoke to him once, so, just name dropping there. But he says, my brother, thanks again for your support. It means so much to us that you would allow us to be a part of your self-care routine. Here's a little gift for you. Hope you enjoy. Happy holidays, the Beard Dad fam. So the gift that I didn't realize is this. I'm excited to add this to the routine. Okay, I do have a brush and I've had different combs, but it's always nice to have another one. So here's the good stuff, the stuff you guys have been waiting for. This right here is the beard balm. So this comes with the plastic, and I mean, the design looks great. The darkened gold with the navy blue, and it has the logo on the front, the Beard Dad, family-owned company. Now we're gonna open up the beard oil. Don't judge me. It's glass. I don't want to break it. This also comes with the plastic, but look at this. It has the gold lining and everything. So very cohesive packaging, branding. I think it looks great. Carlos, you and the fam did spectacularly with the packaging, with the branding, with the design. I'm for it. This was a nice touch again. Thank you. I've been using this now for, I want to say maybe like a month and a half. Unfortunately, I haven't been able to use it consistently. I've been taking care of my grandma, but it was just a hassle to prepare my beard and then have it covered up. So I didn't use it every day, but I tried to use it enough to have feedback. I think there's no changes that need to be made with the beard oil. I'm thoroughly enjoying this, and I've taken out of rotation all the other products that I showed you guys in the last video. I really like the beard balm, the consistency. It's actually a little bit more consistent than others that I've used, and I like it for that. This is made with grade A shea butter. It's 100% organic. The scents are also organic, so there aren't any fragrances in there. Everything is natural, 100% organic. Now, I didn't grow up using shea butter, nonetheless grade A, so it's a very strong scent that it has. So I'm still not used to it. What I've been doing, I've been mixing both of them together. Some people may put one product, the oil first and then the balm. I kind of use this to get everything ready to apply the balm. But once I have the balm on the palm of my hands, I dip a little bit more oil in there to kind of bring the scent down. I would say that I'm going to continue alternating this with I think it was Honest Amish that I have. I know that one is not 100% organic. It does have a fragrance, so it takes away a little bit. This one, I'm generally not used to the smell yet, so I will be alternating between both. But you could definitely tell that this has a better shine, and the shine lasts longer. And if I'm not mistaken, he buys the beard balm, or the shea butter, sorry. He buys the shea butter from a group of Ethiopian women. So I think all in all, he's not only a small family-owned business, but he's also purchasing products from another small business. This also, he went through 31 other combinations of product. So this right here is the 32nd. And honestly, like I said, it's all great here. It's a fantastic product. But because I'm not used to the shea butter smell, then I can't rock with it every day. I'm still trying to figure out my combination to mask the scent. Okay, but all in all, I'd probably, if it wasn't for the scent, it would get 5 out of 5. Honestly, if you are okay with the scent, you should give it a 5 out of 5. I'm giving it like a 4.2 just because it's a scent. I'm still trying to get used to it. But everything else is 5 out of 5. Like I mentioned, the branding, the packaging, the logos, everything, man. And this is such a unique touch. And it's handwritten. Everything I read was handwritten. And, just want to be supporting Carlos and also his message of fatherhood. Now, I want to move on to the 6-month follow-up from my previous video when I was going through all the different products that I had used and that I had bought or people had given me as a present. So what I'm going to say point blank is that I will be moving forward with the Beard Dad. Okay, and I highly recommend you do so as well. Putting the shea butter aside, you're not gonna go wrong. I mean, look how shiny this thing is. So the Beard Club was definitely a good start. I had just bought the package, and I told you guys I was gonna let you know what I thought. The vitamin spray was I mean, I don't know if it did much, but it was a nice little addition to the routine. But you use it up real quickly. The other thing was that the beard oil, after a while, the scent started getting to me. It has that castor oil, so I feel like I'm at the mechanic with a little bit of cologne. It wasn't bad, but at that point, I wasn't at the hospital, so I was able to put together my routine every day. So it was getting to me. Also, the other product that I had was the Derma Roller. I don't know if you guys remember, so I'm going to show you what it looked like. It was this with the little needles, and you just roll up and down. Like I had mentioned, it's probably like a pseudo-science type of thing where tests show, but it's not scientifically proven. I will say that for me, I don't know. I try to use it 3 times a week, but because I had longer hair, I felt that after I used it, it pulled on the hairs a little bit, and it gave me a few gaps. And sometimes I would only do one section or outline what I thought, and that outline, I could see it. So my recommendation for this is to use it when you have shorter hairs. At this point, you're just gonna have to go with genetics when it gets to be this big. So I don't know, it's your call. I don't think it's necessarily a bad thing, but if you're starting to grow your hair out, then I would recommend this. All in all, that's that's what I'm going to be doing moving forward. I'm going to be alternating the Beard Balm with the Honest Amish, but 100% I'm going to be using this beard oil moving forward. So you don't need to buy all those things. You can buy from the Beard Dad. And again, they're just putting out this great message about fatherhood. He even has merch. And that's it for me. Carlos, I really appreciate what you're doing with your company, with your brand, the message that you're putting out. I want to congratulate you and your family for the hard work that you've been putting into this. And honestly, it can be seen through the details. Go check him out. I'll put his Instagram and his website in the description. Support your local family-owned businesses, your small businesses. As for me, I'm going to try to keep growing out my beard. And hey, listen, if you guys have any questions or want to share your beard journeys, please leave them in the comments. I wanna read all about them. Okay, but until next time, take care of yourselves, guys.